Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about various ways of metal master extension to storage location. For this, we'll take one example. Let's assume we receive one issue from user. Here you can see user has provided some information about this issue. In short description, what user is saying, not able to post good receipt against purchase order, and in note section he has provided more information. He's actually tried to post good receipt against one purchase order. He has provided purchase order number, and during performing good receipt, he is getting some error. Material, this is the material number 1711 RMS1 does not exist, and he has provided error screenshot. So here this is a screenshot which user has provided, and in this screenshot here you can see on top of this on this blue line, good receipt purchase order. It means user is trying to perform good receipt against purchase order. Purchase order number is 454 times 0 1866, and at the time of performing good receipt he is getting this error: material 1711 hyphen raw mat 5 1711 RMS1 does not exist. Let's see if any other screenshot he has provided. No, so this is a screenshot user has provided. So to analyze this issue, what we'll do, we'll just open this purchase order in display mode in a system. I'm going to MA23 and display purchase order. And what was the purchase order number? 454 times 0 1866. So here we'll open that purchase order. 454 times 0 1866. So this is the purchase order. So here you can see user has created this purchase order for this material code 17 raw mat 5, and this purchase order is created under plant 1711, and here you can see the storage location is missing in the purchase order. Storage location is missing in the purchase order, but as per the screenshot here, what you can see, user is getting this error, and in this error this material 17 raw mat 5, this material number we identified. This is the material number 1711 raw mat 5, then 1711, this 1711 is a plant, and the next RMS1 is a storage location. It means user is trying to post goods receipt against this purchase order, and he is trying to store this material under this plant 1711 and RMS1 storage location, and at the time of performing this good receipt he is getting this error. So what we'll do, we'll try to create same purchase order in a system. As a during working in support project, we receive such type of tickets. So that time what we need to do, whatever the purchase order number he provided from production system, we need to just refer that purchase order, and we need to create same purchase order in our test system. Let's say this is our test system, and now I am creating same purchase order in our test system. So this is our purchase order. Let me put today's date as a delivery date. Now what user is trying to do, okay, same activity we'll do in our system. So for this, okay, you can try to perform good reset in GUI system or in Fury application. We'll try in GUI. So to perform good reset, okay, I am using same transaction which user is using. If we go back to screenshot, okay, this is the Migo transaction, right? So here in Migo transaction, here I am selecting action as a good receipt. In a reference document, we select purchase order, and here we'll enter our purchase order number. So our purchase order number is this. Okay, hit enter. Now, as per the error screenshot, okay, user is trying to post this stock under plant 1711 and storage location RMS1. Yeah. Now select item, okay, checkbox, click on check button, see. So okay, this issue is replicated in our test system. Material, this is the material code, and this is the plant code, and this is the store location. So this material, okay, as per this error message, okay, what says, it says this material does not exist under this plant solution combination. If you click on this long text description, so here you can see no metadata exists in plant 1711 store location RMS1. Now we need to understand, okay, or suppose we need to check whether this material is extended to this plant solution or not. Okay, how you can check? So simple trick, what you can do, you just copy this material code. I'm just coming out from this transaction to check if that material is extended or not. So you can just execute MM03 transaction code. In MM03, pass that material code and select, okay, plant data storage 1 or plant data storage 2 view. Click on org level button, and here in this plant field, okay, click on F4 or drop down option, and here you can see whichever the plant, okay, for whichever the plant this material is extended. So for that plant, okay, in first column it will show this X mark. Okay, this X means, this cross mark means this material is extended, okay, to this plant. X means S, okay, this material is extended to this plant. Similarly, if you let me put here 1711 plant, so under this plant, okay, to which store location this material is extended. If I want to check, okay, to which store location this material is extended, so same thing we can do for store location field. Click on this drop down option. So see, when I am clicking on this drop down option, directly system is throwing this message, store location do not exist for this material. It means this material is not extended to any of the store location which are under this 1711 plant. The second way is, okay, if you want to check whether this material is extended or not, what you can do, you can refer this table. Go to AC69, enter table name MARD, and in this MARD table, just pass that material code and plant code and click on execute. So see, system is throwing message as a no value found. It means this material is not extended to any of the store location which belongs to this 1711 plant. So as per this error, okay, now we analyze this issue, and as per our analysis, okay, this error is a standard error, okay, and as this material is not extended to the required store location, that's why, okay, user is getting this error. Now what solution we need to propose? Okay, we need to ask user to connect with master data team. Okay, if there is a separate team available for master data maintenance, then we need to ask user to connect with the respective team like master data team to extend this material to this plant solution combination, and according to that master data will extend this material to plant and solution combination, and after that, okay, we will ask user to post good receipt again for this purchase order. Let's say, okay, we'll now try to extend this material to plant store location combination or store location level. So there are different ways. Okay, you can extend material to store, or you can extend material at store location level. First, okay, first way is, okay, you can extend material at store location using transaction code MM01. Let me type here. Ways of material master extension at storage location level. First way is with MM01 transaction. Okay, use MM01 transaction code. Okay, here enter that material code, then click on select views. Now we want to extend this material at store location level, right? So to extend material at store location level, okay, what views are required? We need to select these views: general plant data storage 1, and data plant data storage 2. And if they want to maintain MRP data also, then we need to set this MRP. We need to set MRP views also. But for, okay, we need to extend this store location level. Then here, okay, we set plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2 view. Click on org level button, and here now we'll enter plant code and required store location. So he wants to extend material at RMS1 store location because he wants to store this material in this store location. Now click on continue. So see, as this material was not extended earlier to this store location, now that's why, okay, we are able to open this material master data in creation mode. Okay, here check if any data, okay, needs to maintain. Okay, I don't want to maintain any data, so click on continue or just press enter. Okay, here also, okay, I don't want to maintain any other details. Okay, click on continue, click on yes. So material is extended. Now what we'll do, we'll just verify whether this material is extended or not. How we can verify? Again, go to MM03 transaction, select, enter that material code and select, okay, plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2 view. Click on org level button. Okay, enter plant code 1711, and here in the store location field just click on F4 or drop down option. Now it is showing this material is extended to this plant storage combination. X means yes, okay, this material is extended to this plant storage combination. Second way, as I mentioned, okay, you can use MARD table. Go to AC69, enter MARD table. Then here in material field enter, okay, we'll enter material code. In plant field we'll enter plant code and click on execute. Okay, now it is showing one entry because this material is extended to this store location RMS1. Now, okay, now we'll try for good reset. So we're going to MIG Omigo transaction. Here we select action as a good reset. In reference document we will select reference as a purchase order. Here we'll enter purchase order number. So our purchase order number is this. Okay, in where tab, here you can see store location is blank. Why? Because in purchase order we already saw, right? In purchase order the store location is missing. Okay, user has not maintained store location in purchase order. That's why we need to enter store location manually in this Migo transaction. So here I am entering RMS1 storage location. Select item OK checkbox and click on check. Now, okay, it says document is okay. Click on post. Okay. Now it means, okay, that issue is fixed, and now, okay, your system is allowing us to perform good reset. Now we can ask user, okay, to check for good reset. Now second way, if you want to extend material to, let's say, okay, now okay, we extended this material 1711 raw mat 5, we extended this material to RMS1 storage location. Okay, we extended this material, this is the material code. Okay, we extended this material to this store location, but my requirement is I want to store this material in another store location, let's say RMS2. I want to extend material, I want to store this material in another store location RMS2, and now I want to extend this material for this storage location also. So the other way is, okay, if you want to extend material to different store location, then there is a separate transaction provided by SAP. You can use that transaction code, and the transaction code is MMSC. So here I am entering the transaction code MMSC. So what material you want to extend? Here, okay, we enter that material code 1711-raw mat 5. Under which plant you want to extend? I want to extend that material under 1711 plant. Click on execute, press enter. Once you press enter, here system will show, okay, under which store location this material is currently extended. So here it is showing under this RMS1 store location this material is currently extended, and now I want to extend material to RMS2 store location. So here I will enter RMS2 and click on save. So here in the right bottom corner it is showing save button, so I am clicking on save. That's it. Function carried out means, okay, this material is extended to this RMS2 store location. Now I want to check whether this material is extended or not. How you can check? Again go to MM03, enter material code, click on select views and select plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2. Click on org level, here enter 1711 plant, and in the drop down option, installation drop down option, here, okay, you can check whether to which store locations this material is extended. So here, okay, system is showing this material is extended to RMS1 as well as RMS2. This is the second way of material extension at storage location level. Third way is, let's say we have one purchase order. Let me go back. 67. Okay, we have one purchase order available, okay, ending with 1867, and here also you can see storage location is blank. And okay, now we'll try to perform good receipt for this PO. So what I will do, I will go back, I will just execute transaction MIGO MIGO. Here I will enter purchase order number. Okay, I selected action as a good receipt. In a reference document I selected as a reference document, as a purchase order as a reference document. Here I entered purchase order number, hit enter. Now my requirement is, okay, this material is this material is extended to RMS1 and RMS2, but my requirement is I want to store this material is under RMS3, because these two storages are already full, okay, and there is no space available under this two storage. That's why I want to store this material under this third solution RMS3. So that's why, okay, I'm just what I will do in this where tab, here now I will enter my solution as a RMS3, and now I am selecting item OK checkbox and click on check. But system is throwing error, material so and so plant 1711 RMS3 does not exist. Why? Because this material is not extended to this storage location RMS3. Okay, we already we can extend material, okay, with MM01 transaction, with MMSC transaction, And the third way is, okay, there is one configuration setting available. Okay, we'll just go to that configuration setting, go to SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG, then materials management. Under materials management, go to inventory management and physical inventory, then good receipt. Okay, create store location automatically. Create store location automatically means, okay, it does not create store location, but actually it extend material at storage location. So click on execute. So in pop-up, okay, two options are available. First option is create store location automatically. Double click on the first, this create store location automatically. So during which movement type, okay, during which movement type you want to extend material to the respective store location. So here you can see there are different movement types are available. So my requirement is I want to extend material to required store location during 101 movement. So here you can see the create store location checkbox is create store location automatic checkbox is selected. It means when, okay, if user tries to perform good receipt with 101 movement, and if that material is not extended to entered store location, then system will automatically extend that material to that respective store location in the background. Okay, this is the meaning of this setting. Now the next setting is create store location per plant automatically. What is our plant? Our plant code is 1711. What is the meaning of this? Okay, this earlier setting, okay, this setting is a global setting, or this is generic setting. It will be applicable for all plant, but for plant specific, okay, for plant specific, if you want to activate this config, okay, then here you need to select, okay, this create store location automatically checkbox. Suppose my requirement is, okay, I want to extend store location during good receipt for this plant, for my plant. So here I will select 1711 checkbox. Click on save. Okay, so here at plant level we selected this checkbox. It means, okay, if we try to perform good receipt with 101 movement, okay, under this plant code, and if that material is not extended, okay, to the store location, but once we post good receipt with 101 movement under this plant, then system will automatically extend material for that store location in the background. Now we have maintain setting. We'll go back to material code. First we'll check whether this material is extended or not to RMS3. 1711, and here store location field, click on F4 options. See, this material is extended to this two store location, RMS1, RMS2. Similarly, let me open one more screen for MARD table. Here I am entering same material code, plant code, and click on execute. Okay, I am just keeping this screen as it is. Now I will try to perform good receipt. So for this, just coming out of this Migo transaction, and again I am executing Migo transaction. Here I selected action as a good receipt, reference document purchase order. Here we'll again enter that purchase order number, press enter. In where tab, okay, this plant, okay, and here now I am entering store location. As per MARD table, okay, this material is extended to RMS1 and RMS2, but in Migo transaction here I am entering RMS3 store location. Select item, okay, click on check. Okay, document is okay, click on post. So now system allowed to post good receipt. So with this good receipt, okay, what effect will get? First effect is, okay, system will post good receipt, and second effect is, or second result is, if you just refresh this MAID table, okay, here we will get one more entry for RMS3 storation. It means along with the 101 good receipt, what system did? Along with the 101 goods movement, system extended this material for this plant storage location combination. If we go to display material master, let me go back and again execute MM03 transaction. Click on select views and here select plant data storage 1, plant data storage 2 or plant data storage 1 only. Click on org level button. Okay. In store location field, click on drop down option. See, 3 entries are available. Okay, RMS3 here also it is showing for this 1711 RMS3 X means okay this material is extended to this combination. So our third way is okay, create storage location to maintain config setting, create storage location automatically. So these are the 3 ways okay by which you can extend material at storage location level. Thank you so much. Thanks for learning. Bye.